What's up guys, it's Dan. On this video, I'm gonna be mounting and swapping wheels and tires. I did get a set of new tires, but I kind of didn't like the fact that they're kind of narrow for their size. They're 235, 65, 17, but they make them narrow for some reason. And my wife has the same width, but her tires are freaking wide. And I also got another set of rims for my dailies. So let me first show you the tires that I got. I ended up getting some new tires because luckily my father-in-law just picked up a Tacoma, and that came with 17s, like aftermarket wheels, and they need tires. So I'm gonna give them my old new set, I guess that's what you call it. And this is the set I'm going to be using. These are Nankang SP9s. Now what I have on right now are Milestar M932s, which is there's one up here. It's subtle, but you can kind of see the difference in the width of the contact patch. This is about, I think I measured it, it's about like 20 centimeters wider than this. This is kind of narrow, and they're both 235. So yeah, that's one thing I had to kind of research in terms of getting a set of, or finding a set of tires. Now the wheels that I got, I'm looking at them right now. If you're wondering why I'm looking that way, they are right here. These are BMW style 138 20 offset, 17 by 7.5, and these are gonna be on the van every day. These will eliminate the need for using spacers because I kind of drew out the measurements on paper, like the hub mount and the offset with the wheel width and everything. These will stick out like a ½ inch less than the 20s. And the 20s did stick out, but these will stick out a little less. They're kind of rough, but I got them for pretty cheap. It was a sound of wheels because the tires are shit. I need to file down all the curbage and everything just to make it look nice, and I might refinish it later. I don't know what color yet. If I don't know, then I'll stick with silver. And then I need to mount my TPMS valves onto here. I think they'll fit. They seem universal. I was looking at pictures of both of them. So yeah, first thing I need to do is get the van lifted up and take off these rollers and the spacers. Alright, so I got the spacer off the front. It's kind of a bitch. I'm just gonna take a sneak peek at what this will look like right here. I wonder if my lugs will work. If not, I have my aftermarket ones. Okay, this is what I wanted to see. The rim is right there. Now the tire will balloon, probably that much or a little more. And when it's on the ground, it should be flush. The front has a wider check than the rear. Yeah, they look stock. I think they look good. I was gonna say, I want to say these are a little lighter. They're made in Austria according to the back stamping. So, but yeah, got some concave action going on. That'll be nice. My center caps do fit, but they don't stay. Try to keep it Honda. And also I will have to use hub rings. You can see the gap where the hub ring will be, or the hub centric ring. Okay, so I got a little problem here. I got all the spacers off except this one. And the nut inside here is rounded, and any more work that I do will round it even more. So I'm not quite sure what to do at this point. This is the last one. So you got 4 out of the 5 there. And this is the last spacer I need to remove as well. I might have to cut at the spacer, like around it somehow, maybe cut a chunk off of it just so I can fit a tool in there and try to remove it that way. Because right now only a socket will fit in here, but it'll round it. So I actually need something to grip it. I'll see what I can do. Whew. Success. I know it's dark. Here you go. Spooky. So I got it off. What I did was, it was pretty rounded. I decided to round it just a little more with the 19 socket, and I hammered on an 18 socket, and here it is. It's still in there. I can get that out, but yeah, it's off. So now this is free. Yay. No, I didn't spend all night on it. I had to go to a party and I kind of just got home. So, but yeah, all the spacers are off. So now I just have to load up the tires and wheels and all that stuff, get those all mounted, which I'm going to be doing tomorrow. So I'll see you then. Morning guys, it's the next day. So here are some rollers, there's some back there. Just gonna load them up in the truck, borrowing my father-in-law's truck. Okay, there is one thing I want to check. I got a staple in this one. I'm gonna pull this out, see how far in it went. Yeah, that's pretty damn deep. Look at that. And you're leaking. And that's pretty much on the side wall here, so you can't really plug that, although you can try. But yeah, I put this back in. It stops it. Which way did it go? Yeah, whatever. Alright, let's get the rest of this loaded. It's a good thing I decided to get a spare. And the back. Check it out. They look alright. They look stock, which is what I was going for. Now these are 7.5, so they do balloon more, but this is obviously wider. Another thing I like is it has a sharp edge here, so it's not too rounded. E60 rims with fat tires. Now the main thing that I was concerned about were the valve stems. These are my Honda TPMS sensors. They were able to swap the BMW ones out. One of them broke in the process, but that's fine. But yeah, so I should have no issues since these are the stock sensors and they fit right onto these rims just fine. So excellent. And the rims are on. They look good. They look stock. They poke. Well, the van isn't really settled that well. This side doesn't seem too bad. The front sticks out. I need to roll it back and forth because I just put it on the ground, so it's not in its settled state yet, but yeah. Looks good. Now I'm also using the lug nuts that I use on my 20s because these have a tapered seat, the wheels, and so do the nuts. My Stock ones have a round seat, so I'm not sure how well those will hold onto it. I'd rather play it safe and use one that is meant for the shape. I just need to get center caps. Mine do fit, but they're loose. I'm wondering if there's something I can do to those to make them fit tighter. Or I can, since I plan on redoing the rims sometime, I can take the stock ones and just paint them over. Pokes out kind of like the 20s. In the front, it's fine. Rears are flush. But yeah, I'm digging the overall look of it. Anyway, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. Hope you like the new dailies. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video.